What is up, YouTube? Listen up. You guys asked about a snowcat kind of trip adventure this winter. I would like to throw this out and see if there's any interest and how much of it is actually there, I guess, per se. So we're talking about an all-inclusive kind of trip, all wine and dine, Nixon Overland style kind of cooking and just, you know, crazy stuff going on, whatnot. So we're talking about 6 total spots. 1 plus 5 more, as in 1 myself and 5 more open seats. I will not open up to more people than that. So I'm talking about basically winter camp out style, somewhere around Eastern Oregon side, either Steens Mountains Loop or Hell's Canyon. Get in there with a cat, take some crazy pictures, see some sunsets, sunrises, campfire, and something that's, you know, gonna be basically to everybody's interest. We're talking about all-inclusive kind of trip, so keep in mind, basically, you bring your rear end, sit it in, and we go. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 5 days, I'm thinking, is probably gonna be right around there. March. We're not set on what time of the, you know, of the month yet, but basically it'll depend on, you know, interest provided and weather conditions. So I would like to know who is in, and I need to know who is not in. So I want you to subscribe, I want you to like, comment, do whatever. To the guy that always puts a thumbs down to my videos, I like you and I love you because you keep me going. So keep in mind that all your support or your views, all your basically comments, all the traffic that's going on the channel will bring more traffic to me. So in fact, that's basically you guys are supporting me in that sense. And at this point, we're hit 10,000 subscribers. Love everybody. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following. Please stay tuned. And like I said, basically direct message me through either Nixon Overland on Facebook, Nixon Overland on Instagram, or through YouTube here directly. So once again, once of a lifetime snowcat kind of trip adventure. I need to know how much of interest is there. So you've listened, I've answered. No, I've listened, you've asked, and here I'm throwing this out at the opportunity. So let me know. Peace.